Today we will learn three commands: move, copy and extend. Let's first understand difference between move and copy. Move means moving any objects, either one entity or whole design, from one place to another place. The same way, the copy is the remaining the original, remaining the drawing at the same place and getting copy any number of time, either 1 2 3 4 or as much as you can. Let's start the move command. First we have to press M. Move for move command, just we press M and at the command bar, asking for select the object. So for example, I selected here, so okay, no more need to select, enter. So then the next command asking specify the base point. Now for example, we have to click from here, we have to pick here. Base point means from where you would like to pick, so we have to pick here. Make sure here is this the green square small coming, it means the snap command. If it is the snap off, it will not come. So make sure it always keep it a small the snap command on, so that you will get the exact position and mid center. Later on we will explain. So let's start from here. We click. Now the next point is specify the second point, so anywhere we click here. So see, from here to here it has moved. Look, okay, the command is complete. Again the same way, just undo. Same way, move again, move command as a whole object. Maybe it can be a window or a door, or in civil engineering, or as any component in mechanical engineering, or any component in electrical engineering time. So we selected here. Again asking anything to select object, no need. Okay, press enter. Once we press the enter, again asking for the base point, specify the base point. So we click here, specify the base point. So now we click here. So see, it's moved the whole object. The same way is, now we have to learn about copy. So copy, COPY. For copy we have to write the copy. The command started asking the same way, it's asking select object. We selected whole, either one or whole. Let's whole. Again, now no more, then press enter. Once we press enter, so or the right mouse you can click. Again the base point, ask once you press enter or mouse right click of mouse, so asking for specify the base point. Okay, from we are specifying the here, we click here. Okay, so now it's ready to copy wherever you need, here, whatever, as much as you need. Okay, if you need overlap. So okay, so now no need, no more, enter. Right, I click the right mouse key, that asking for enter, or directly you can press the enter. So I hope it is clear, the move and copy command. Okay, then undo. I done the undo. Okay, let's extend command, the third command. The extend command, any line you can extend up to a certain level, whatever the objects coming in front of it, either arc, circle or line. For example, PL here. Okay, then press escape command. Now let's try write extend, EXTEND, extend command, enter. Asking anywhere, we click after bringing the mouse key So it's making the extend. So it has extended. The same way, let's enter. Let's again undo. For example, we erase this one line, temporary line. For example, arc. So for arc, we have to click these 3-point arc. First point here, second point here. Make sure your the ortho mode should not be on. This on off mode. Otherwise, it will be, you will find it difficult. Okay, so let's here again. The arc has created, so target, it will extend what is doing the perpendicularly, whatever the state objects coming up to that level, it is extending. So again, give the extend command, extend, extend from, see, click here. So as much as you can, either 1, 2, or as much as you can extend it. The same way we do. Okay, the once you finish, press the enter. Again enter, is finally it's done all. So again, if you need to create a circle, up to extend up to circle, let's just start. First we have to do undo. In circle later we will explain you a circle. Here is 2-point radius and nearby the diameter. So let's first select the 2-point from first point here and second point here, up to anywhere you can select. Okay, let's extend command here. Practice, extend, extend. Once we pointing anywhere, it's selecting. If we no need, just to press undo, it's done. So like this way. Okay, so see, it's whatever extension, whatever the object she found, it's extended up to that level. So it is extending to the line or arc or circle, any object, whatever it will found. So hope you got it, and just practice it. Anything you need to be clarifications, just give a message, comment. We will explain you, inshallah. Okay, goodbye. Practice makes man perfect. Practice as much as you can.